Hey guys, I'm Tom Man. I'm gonna be unboxing something for you guys today. It's a little surprise I got for Big Red. I know I said that Big Red has been retired, but I'm still gonna add parts here and there to it. I'm just not gonna race it anymore. So yeah, without further ado, let's go and open it up and see what's inside. All right. It is a pretty big box, so I'm gonna try and see if I could get it out as I'm recording. A lot of padding. A lot of padding. Wow, that's a lot of padding. All right, let's see here. Let's see if we can lay it down. I'll just pull it out rather than trying to pull it out from the top. All right, there you go. Let's get it out of this bubble wrap. I need my little box cutter. Gotta be careful not to damage anything. I'm gonna have to cut this part too. And this part. There you go. My Sparco EVO II US racing seat. It's a full bucket seat. I'm gonna take this off too so you guys can actually see the seat. There you go. All right, there you go. Sparco EVO II US. So for this model seat, the EVO II, there's various sizes. The EVO II US is a large, EVO II is a medium, and then there's an extra large, and there's also a small. I forget the exact size right now, but you can look it up online. Sparco feels really good. Feels really sturdy, really quality. It's a racing seat. So here's the, let's see, where's the part number? I'm not sure where the part number is at. Yeah, but as you can see, here's the seat. Let's take a look at the back. Sparco logo on the back. These holes are for the 4 or 6-point harness. Super light. And this seat is FIA approved. So what that means is that if you participate in competition, circuit competition, road course competition, and without a FIA approved seat, they won't let you participate. They won't. You won't pass inspection. Just like going to the drag strip and your car runs faster than 14 seconds, you need a Snell approved helmet. So basically this is the same thing, just that you need it to participate in the road course competition. Again, this is really light. According to Sparco, they said this seat weighs 17 pounds. And I'm gonna try to lift it up one-handed. It's hella light. Super light. Yeah, so I already took out my seat, my stock seat. And I'm just gonna put this one on. My rails will be here later this week. So unfortunately I can't put it onto the car yet, but once my rail gets here, I'll go ahead and put it on, mock it up, and do another video, show you guys how cool it looks. Yeah, so these seats are pretty expensive. This one retails for $825. Unfortunately, it doesn't come in red. I wanted red. I thought it would go better with my car, but I guess red got discontinued. And so black is only available. And I think that Sparco offers the red cloth. You can buy it by itself. It's like $100-something, and you can just wrap it over this one. But the black's all right. Black's nice. Yeah, so it's a really quality piece. And I am a bigger guy, so I think this is the right size for me. EVO II US. Let's see, a little bit about myself. I'm 210 pounds, 6 foot tall. So I'm a pretty big guy. And if this fits me, this should fit a lot of people. You want it to be snug. You want the seat to hold you in place. Yeah, it's an awesome seat. I did a lot of research and decided to go with Sparco. Sparco is a really well-known brand. It's been in the racing scene for decades. They make really quality stuff. They're expensive, but they're quality. Let's see if I can get a side profile. There you go. Looks awesome, by the way. Yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them. I would weigh it for you, but my scale is really tiny, so I wouldn't be able to put the seat on my scale and to see the actual weight of the seat. Yeah, so lastly, I want to give a shout out to 1320 Performance in Elk Grove. They hooked me up with the seat. I ordered it Friday from them. Got here today, Monday. So thank you, 1320 Performance. You guys are awesome. Yeah, so yeah, there you go. Here is the little unboxing of the Sparco EVO II US racing seat.